Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Tuesday with the Nasdaq closing up, while the Dow Jones and S&P 500, they closed down. Tech, hardware and equipment, as well as retailers and media sectors, the best performers on the day. This while automobiles and components, energy, as well as capital goods, those sectors, the worst performers on the day. While on the economic docket, the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index rising to 94.4 in the month of May, while wholesale inventories, they increased 0.3% in April. This all while 87% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Apple spiking to an all-time high yesterday after Bloomberg reported that the company plans to start using its own processors instead of Intel's in its Mac computers. Moving on, Amazon.com reaching a new all-time high yesterday, and at the same time, in terms of expectations, we do have United Airlines downgraded to neutral from overweight over at Morgan Stanley. Now, there's no major earnings due out this morning, so instead we shift all of our focus to the economic docket. Before the opening bell, we have the MBA mortgage applications due out. 8:30 in the morning, we have core inflation rate, while in the afternoon, all focus will be on the United States Federal Reserve and its interest rate decision and its press conference immediately afterwards. Meanwhile, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 3190. The Nasdaq sees the upside prevail, while the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias above 27,125. And that's in focus. The relative strength index mixed and calling for caution. Long positions above 27,125 are favored, with targets at 27,620 and 27,980 in extension.